Traders, welcome back. Mike from msonehundred.com here with you. I gotta do this video pretty fast because I got an EMR demo coming up pretty soon. But look at this chart today. We had a 2-day consolidation here, and today just bam! Look at that! Look at that rise all the way up to 98 on the SPY. Some huge volume coming in today. What a powerful rally we did have today. We had indexes up over 2% across the board. We had the Dow up 188 points. We had the Nasdaq up 47 points, and we had the S&P up 22. We also did have a pretty flat day in the VIX, closing down 0.04 points. Now, yesterday I was looking for a possible rollover effect to happen here in the markets, and I did take a small short out on it. And as you can see, we just kind of ticked down a little bit with Microsoft trading lower after earnings. Same thing with Amazon here, but I was looking for that rollover effect to start to take place in the markets, and we did not get that. And I was out of the office all day today, so before I left I put a nice little stop on my short here just in case we did start to move higher, and sure enough got taken out with my stop, and all my longs were just in play, and we just rallied up hard today. That's all. I always like to use stops because they help moderate risk, and if you see something happening in the markets that could be happening and it doesn't end up happening, it actually takes you out of your trade and it moderates your risk here a little bit. So yesterday I did talk about I was like iffy on the upside a little bit, but man, we moved up pretty hard today, closing at 976 on the S&P, and now one of the levels I was looking at was that 980 level, and sure enough we actually came in and touched it on the day. So right now I do like the volume in the markets, but we're kind of getting pushed down right now because of some of the earnings out tonight from Amazon and Microsoft. So right now I'm kind of iffy. I'm kind of iffy. I'm not really going to probably take too many more longs in the markets right now. That ILMN kind of ended up flat today, but that LSTR, one of the stocks off our watch list, had an amazing day. I'll bring up the chart for you in a minute here, but I just really want to talk about some of the stocks on our watch list were just right on today after the breakouts. And I do want to bring you some more watch lists. I probably won't have time to get you one tonight because I am doing that demo, but I will try to bring you one out for Monday. So just taking a look at the charts now, right here on the downside, we're actually watching this pink line over here right around 955 on the SPY, and on the upside we're looking for this 980 to be broken, and then you'll have to bring in a longer term chart. I don't know if this chart has it. I haven't really taken a look at it yet, which it probably doesn't have it. No, it doesn't have it in here, but somewhere around the 1,000 level is pretty much our next stop of resistance if we are moving to the upside. I do want to bring up the intraday chart of the SPY and just look at the buying action that happened here today. Alright, here we are. We've got the full day in here, starting at 8 a.m. with the pre-market. And then it goes right till now, which is 5:20. So at the beginning of the day, we gapped up in the pre-market, started to sell down. Now this line I have in right here is actually the pivot point on the day, and we held this pivot point into the pre-market and started moving up. Now right at the open, we moved up and we bought, and then at 10 o'clock, the 10 o'clock area here, the volume just started to pour more into the markets, and more buy volume came in here, and we just bought, stair-stepped up. Look at this. Big bar up, consolidation, couple big bars up, consolidate, big bar up, consolidate, big bar up, consolidate, consolidation again, and then we just kind of grind it up into towards the end of the day. We did come into market here and create a double top just on this 5-minute chart that I do have here for you. Created a double top and actually sold off that double top into the close. And as you see here, we did trade down low. We are trading lower in the after hours. We're trading I want to say almost 1 point lower on the SPY in the after hours here. Let's take a look at LSTR and show you what happened today on the daily chart on that one, and then I got to get out of here. Alright, here's the daily LSTR. Yesterday I gave you this one after the breakout because I did buy intraday, and I told you I was looking for the test of this 36 level and maybe some consolidation and a breakthrough. But today we had just some powerful move in the market, actually forced it all the way up to 36.75 right now. I'm loving the chart even more. The stochastics looking better, more volume coming in, and that's it.